In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your sending name in AOL Mail. This is the name that shows up in someone's inbox when they receive an email from you, so updating it is a quick way to keep things professional, consistent, or personal, whatever you prefer. Start by opening your web browser and searching for AOL Mail. When the results load, click the official AOL Mail link. If you're ever unsure, look for the familiar AOL domain and the secure padlock in your address bar so you know you're on the real site. Once the page opens, go to the upper right corner and choose Login or Join. Sign in the way you normally do. You don't need to change anything with your account here. This simply gets you into your inbox so you can access settings. After you're in your inbox, look toward the upper right again for the settings gear icon. In some layouts, it might appear as options. Click that, and then select More Settings. This will open a dedicated settings page with a menu along the left side. From that left-hand menu, choose Mailboxes. This section controls how your email addresses are configured. If you only have one AOL address, you'll see it listed here. If you manage multiple addresses, you'll see them grouped under Mailbox List. Click the email address you want to edit. This opens the details for that specific mailbox. You're looking for a field labeled Your Name or Display Name. This is the text people see as your sender name. Delete the current name and type the new one you want recipients to see. Keep it clear and recognizable, something like your full name or your business name. Avoid extra symbols or emojis, since some email clients don't display them well. And remember, this doesn't change your actual email address, just the name that appears alongside it. When you're happy with the new name, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. That finalizes your update. If you don't see the Save button, make sure you're on the Mailbox Details screen, not just the General Settings page. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Changes usually apply to new messages going forward, but some contacts or apps may cache your old name for a little while. If something looks off, try sending a fresh email and checking how it appears in the recipient's inbox. Also, note that this walkthrough covers the web version of AOL Mail. Mobile apps may look different, but the idea is the same. Find your mailbox settings and update the display name. And that's it. You've successfully changed your sending name in AOL Mail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.